Hey everybody, welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into part 2 of our deep dive into Lovart. It's the world's first AI design agent and it is a ton of fun to use. Now, if you missed the part 1 video, we built a full brand identity for a fictional candle line, all from a single idea. But Lovart is way more than just image generation. So in this video, we're going to push things further. We're going to design an original sci-fi movie poster, create a landing page for a minimalist travel brand, and transform a simple product photo into a scroll stopper, all while using Lovart's intelligent editing tools along the way. All right, so let's jump in. So getting started here, just head on over to Lovart AI. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Just head on over there. Go ahead and sign up if you haven't already, and sign in takes no time at all. All right, here we go. Here is the main interface here. And all you got to do is just start typing and prompting, and away you go here. But I always like to come down to the bottom here and check out what other creators are getting up to here. Now, this is going to be a perfect spot here to draw some inspiration, to get some really cool ideas, and just see what is possible with Lovart here. Now, for example, this ASMR jelly cutting here really caught my attention. So let's go ahead and click this and have a look here. All right, and this is some really great stuff. Now, whenever you go ahead and open up a creation here, you're going to see all the different assets here of that creation, and you're going to see the initial prompt that went into it. You're going to see the back and forth that went on with the creator and Lovart as well. Now, of course, we have some images at the top here, and we have some video generation as well here. Let's go ahead and have a look here. All right, I could sit back and watch that all day. Let's have a quick look at the sushi one here. So we kind of have like a glass sushi type deal. Let's go ahead and play this. So as you can see, a mix of images and videos for this particular use case here. All right, so we're going to come back to the main interface here, and we're going to go ahead and come to the top here because we're going to jump straight into things here. First things first, we're going to jump into our first use case. Let's go ahead and create a retro sci-fi movie poster, something like 80s space opera meets vaporwave. So I have a prompt in mind here. I'm going to go ahead and drop my prompt here. Let's go ahead and do it here. So here we go. Design a retro sci-fi movie poster. I want neon colors, deep space, glowing horizon, and I want to include a mysterious astronaut and a bold movie title in a stylized text. All you got to do is submit your idea right here. Let's do it. All right, so right away, Lovart is going to go ahead and write up the plan of action here. So the execution plan, just going to go ahead and make sure that all is sounding good. And we can see a design direction as well. We can go ahead and open this up here. We have a full design direction to go through here. So it's just understanding everything in great detail. So right away, Lovart is offering us a request to pick here. So we have a couple different options here just to really solidify what we're looking for here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this first one here, Neon Dawn. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, our movie posters are ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and close the chat here in the top right. This is going to go ahead and land us on the canvas here. So I'm going to come down to the bottom here and select this tool right here. I'm going to come down to the hand tool here, and the hand tool allows you just to drag back and forth around your canvas here just so you can get the right positioning here. I can select the bottom left here like that, and then I just got to drag back, or I can hit Control mouse wheel and that'll drag in and out as well. And here we go. We've got our posters here. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow this up here. We've got 4 selections here. These ones are looking extremely aesthetic here. I love this look here. So this is looking awesome. I think my favorite one here is the 4th one here, but I also love the text right here. All right, right away, I'm very pleased with my outputs here, but let's say I want to customize things further here. The best way to do that is just going to go ahead and click on one of your assets, the one you want to potentially customize here. And once you do that, you're going to have your editing tools pop up at the top here. So we've got upscale, we've got expand, remove background, remover, we can crop, we can extract a layer, and we can even add some video here as well. All right, I'm going to click on this one to the far left right here. Let's go ahead and click on upscale. All right, and here we go. We've got a few options here. So let's go with a 3x upscale, and let's go ahead and click the generate button here. All right, so here is our upscale movie poster here. So this is looking super, super high res. Now, I am loving this poster here. Love the coloring as well, but we are not done yet here. Now, this is going to be a great time to show off an amazing new feature with Lovart, and that is the chat with canvas feature at the bottom here. This is super awesome stuff here. So this literally lets you interact with your canvas, with your assets in real time here. So all you got to do is drop a comment on your selection here. So let's drop a comment right over here on this one here. So here is my comment. Make the astronaut 1.5x bigger and centralize everything here. I'm going to go ahead and click the magic button run here, and we're going to see what happens. So here is our adjusted movie poster here, and this is looking fantastic here. So we can see the subject here is much bigger here. We have everything much more centralized as well. The font is slightly bigger as well, and everything is looking much better. I love the detail in the astronaut here. This is amazing stuff here. And just to recap here, all I had to do is go ahead and drop a comment on my asset here, on my movie poster here, and it followed the instructions perfectly here. So that is amazing stuff here. Now, this really highlights the beauty of Lovart here, its ability to plan and iterate, not just generate here. It is able to go ahead and make the adjustments after you generate things. You can go ahead and retool things, and it really is like an art canvas here. Now, let's say I'm super happy with my creation here, my Beyond Neon movie poster. I can come on over. Once I select this, I come on over to the top here. Let's go ahead and export our image here. I'm going to go ahead and export it PNG. Sure, that sounds fine. 5.5 megabytes. Here is our poster. Just have a look here. I am absolutely loving this here. All right, let's jump into use case number 2 here. We're going to make a landing page for a travel brand here. I'm going to go ahead and drop in my prompt. I want to create a website landing page for a high-end minimalist travel brand called Nomad and Still. Use lots of white space, serif fonts, and ambient nature photography here. Let's go ahead and click the magic button here. All right, here we go. Lovart is doing its thing here. So let's go ahead and check back in a second here. All right, here is our luxury travel website landing page for Nomad and Still. And right away, I am loving the vibe here. Let's go ahead and close this chat here for a second. Let's go ahead and scroll in here. So of course, super minimalistic. We've got Nomad and Still. Super simple website here. A journey beyond distinctions. We have some incredible photography here and exactly matches the vibe we want to go with here. Very simple, very minimalistic. Love the nature shots as well. So we have our chat opened up here, and we're actually going to come back and add on to this here. So here we go. I want to add a 3-column customer testimonial section with a soft gray background. Let's go ahead and punch this in the chat here. Lovart has gone ahead and added the testimonial section. It's actually very subtle here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll in a little bit here, and we can see the 3 columns here very subtly into our main landing page here. So that is exactly what I wanted here. All right, I'm very happy with our landing page here. Let's go ahead and select it here, and I'm going to go ahead and export our image here. Here is our landing page downloaded. Again, super clean. Love the look of it. Love the style of it. Let's go ahead and close this. We are on a roll here, so let's jump into our 3rd use case here. So we're going to do a product shot transformation here. Let's go ahead and design our product ad here for a skincare bottle. So I have a prompt in mind. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in here. So here is our prompt. It's a little bit of a longer one here. So basically, I just want a premium, clean, calming vibe here. And I have a bunch of styles here. So I want soft sunlight, muted earth tones, organic textures, and I have some deliverables here as well. So I'm telling Lovart exactly what I want here. So I want some real shot images, some 3D render, some multi-angle displays, a key visual banner, lifestyle mockups here, and a social media pack as well with a simple logo. So lots going on here. Let's go ahead and drop this in and see how Lovart handles things. Let's have a look here at our canvas, at our creation here. We have a whole range of assets here, just like we requested. So we've got our brand name. We have some simple shots here of our bottle here. It's called Aura. Love the name there. Let's go ahead and scroll in. So we have more of these earthy marketing photos as well. These are looking really good as well. We have some packaging. Let's have a look here. We've got some nice little backdrop here on the beach as well. We've got it sitting nicely on a little shelf here in a shower here. And we have some more marketing shots on the far right here. We also want to come down to the left here. We also have, let's have a look here. So we have a nice little 360-degree shot here of the bottle here in a video format here. So we really have it all. All right, but I want to go ahead and take things further here. So let's take a simple image here. I'm going to take this one right here, and we're going to go ahead and have have some fun here. So first things first, I do want to upscale this image so it is a little bit bigger here. Let's go ahead and upscale it just so we're working with something with higher resolution. So we're going to go ahead and upscale this. All right, here we go. We've got our upscaled perfume bottle here. First things first, let's select our asset here, and then our editing tools are going to pop up at the top here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the background, and it's going to intelligently remove it here in a second. There we go. We've got the background completely removed. Took no time at all. Now I'm going to come down to my new favorite feature here, of course, the chat with canvas here. Let's go ahead and select this, and I'm going to click on our asset here. So I would like to place the perfume bottle in a natural environment, sitting in stones. Add natural light and shadows here. Let's go ahead and click on run. All right, here we go. Here is our perfume bottle in our natural environment here. So it is sitting on a rock. This only took one try and it absolutely nailed this. So I'm very, very impressed with this. I want to go ahead and expand this image here. Let's go ahead and do that by clicking on the expand button. Now, if I wanted to, I could describe the expanded area, but I'm very happy with how everything looks here. So I want to keep this going here. I just want to go ahead and continue on with the look that I have. Let's go ahead and click on the lightning bolt right here. Okay, here is our final product here. I am very happy with what I'm looking at here. This is fantastic stuff. Now, the chat with canvas, of course, did a fantastic job with nailing the environment that I was going for here. And we have the expand tool here that did a great job with opening up this environment, opening up this world. So I'm very happy with my final product here. This really goes to show that when you generate an idea with Lovart, that really is only the beginning there. You have a slew of tools at your disposal to really take your image and completely transform it, take your asset, whatever it is, image, video, and just take it to the next level here. Really create it and make it your own. Now, this is what separates Lovart from other tools. It's not a single model generation. It's an agent that plans, chats, iterates, and chooses the right tools for the job here. Lovart orchestrates everything for you right in the platform. So this has been a look at how Lovart goes beyond generation into real intelligent design editing. And as of July 23rd, Lovart is available to everyone. So we are talking all the best models all in one place because Lovart is live right now. So head on over to Lovart.ai to dive straight into things. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always here. Have fun and good luck with your creations.